Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on tune-up kits for your vintage outboard motors. So I'm going to show you a listing I have on eBay that's going to give you all the components you need to tune up your ignition magneto. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so in my quest to provide all the videos that you need to work on your 1950s, 60s, and 70s Johnson & Evinrude's 20 horsepower and less, I've decided that it's time to take the recommendation of a few of my subscribers out there who have said you ought to sell the tune-up kit parts for these motors. You tell us how to tune them up, you tell us how to use these parts, why can't we get the parts from you? So I decided it's time to do that. So I've made several listings on my eBay store, and the links for these listings will be down in the description for you to get to them. And I provide everything you need as far as parts for doing the tune-ups on your ignition magnetos. So I have a listing that has all the parts you need, and here it is, all right? It's got the coils, it's got the tune-up kit, it's got the spark plugs, and it's got the spark wires, all right? So the coils are right here. It is Sierra part number 18-5181. These are the coils that I use in all my magnetos. Every 50s, 60s, and early 70s, it's got a inductive coil ignition magneto. I use this coil. It's the best coil that I've found for using, and it'll work in all your magnetos. All right, so you get a set of two in the master listing. I've also got the tune-up kit itself. All right, it's got the condensers, the points, the wiper pad. It's got all the parts you need, the little clip. It's got everything you need. It is a Sierra part number 18-5006. This is the tune-up kit you need for all these motors that you're working on. All right. Also got the spark plugs I use. I use the J6C spark plugs. You get a set of two in the master kit. These are the plugs that I use. And I also make my own spark plug wires. They're 7mm copper core with the boots already on them, 30 inches long. All you got to do is connect them to the coil on your magneto. So this kit right here, all right, will do everything you need to rebuild your magneto. I also have a listing, and I sell the kit without the coils, all right, just the tune-up kit, the spark wire, the spark plugs. And I also have a listing for each one of these parts individually. If you just need the coils, or you just need the kit, or you just need the wires, or you just need the spark plugs, you can get them from T-Mike. All right, so I hope this helps you. It's a one-stop shop. You got everything you need for your tune-up kits right here in T-Mike's eBay store. So all the links are down below. Don't forget, I'm also offering T-Mike logo caps. If you like one, the link's down there too to get them. You can join the fraternity of the T-Mike Club. And I also got mouse pads, T-Mike Vintage Outboard mouse pads. I'll have a link down there to get that too. All right. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you. Once again, my passion is these vintage outboard motors, and I want to help people. It's not all about the money. It is nice to make a little extra cash, but I want to provide everything you need to work on your motors besides the videos and the how-to. Now you can get your parts. All right. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all next time.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.